Hello guys, this is my first video tutorial. Tuturuan ko pa kayo kung paano mag-load ng CIGNAL TV using GCASH. First, maglalagin po tayo sa GCASH. Ayan, may balance ako na 2,000 plus. Punta tayo sa buy load. Dapat po smart or token text number, yung number niyo po, para dun isend ng GCash yung load para sa ating signal, and then click next. Select Pay TV, and then ang ilo-load ko is 300 signal prepaid plan 300, and then click next. So, mag-program siya ng signal prepaid ng 300, and then pay. Yan, payment received. Thank you for purchasing signal. Your PIN number is item 62. Create tayo ng new message to 5353, and then type signal space copy natin yung PIN, and then paste natin yung PIN, and then space, lalagay natin yung serial number ng signal account number, and then send. I'd like to send this with me. Your load request has been confirmed. Account number 3496523 will be loaded with e-prints PRP plan 300 short. So yun lang, antayin na lang yung signal natin magkakaroon ng load. Thank you.